Hi guys, this is Peter so Tech. So this is the new update about the new AI agent. I told you guys that we are gonna be building and show you guys how it's gonna teach you how it's gonna work. For now, we only make a quiz section. So let's just test it out to not waste much of our time. So Python. So this is Python. It's actually take time. It's not like all right, so he said developer assistant and add quiz app designed and powered by Istify Tech, of course. So let's test it out. So what's your name? This is Sarami Pera. Welcome, Sarami Pera. Commands. Write a letter. If you want to draft a letter, start a quiz, view history, leadership board, quit or exist. Now, of course, we want to start a quiz. Start quiz. All right, so it says, Salami Peter, what would you like to do? Start quiz, development question, developers question, quiz question. Choose your topic. First, we have Python programming. We're still gonna add more topic, but for now, we're just making use of those things. So we have Python, we have HTML and web development, JavaScript, computer science. So let's choose number 2, which is HTML and web development. So it's gonna fetch some question for you online and then give you some question.
Question 1. Which one of these Swedish companies was founded in 1943? Option A, CLAS Olsson. Option B, IKEA. Option C, Lindex. Option D, H&M.
I actually don't know the response, so I'm gonna choose what? So I'm gonna choose A. Lucky me, nah.
Wrong. The correct answer was IKEA.
All right, so the next question.
2. Which musician has collaborated with American producer Porter Robinson and released the 2016 song Shelter? Option A, Matzo. Option B, Madian. Option C, Zed. Option D, Deadmau5.
All right, so now it's gonna wait, and then in real time we have only 30 minutes, 30 seconds to answer each question before the AI is gonna stop you, or we have 50 questions.